to $600 for the year or more, they're going to get this new 1099K.
In this video, we are going to talk about the 1099K requirements for 2022 and how it affects people that are selling through Etsy. So Etsy is a site, a website, or an app that most people, they have to be making stuff at home to sell. So they're not buying goods and reselling them, they're making things. Yep. And these people have really probably popped up a lot in the last 2 years with the pandemic. A lot of times, it's what's the number one thing that they probably don't know that they should be doing?
Keeping track of their cost.
Right. So if you're selling, let's say they sold $2,000 in 2021. Well, 2021, would they have gotten a 1099K?
No, they wouldn't. But in 2022,
they
get to $600 for the year or more, they're going to get this new 1099K. So how many people were selling on Etsy that was under that 20,000 mark threshold? And in the past may or may have not thought about the reporting responsibility, but this year, and that's why we're doing the video today. We've done one on eBay. We're going to do one on PayPal. We did one overall for all platforms, kind of compare the platforms. But in this case, what we're trying to do is get the word out there. And I think that big point is that there's going to be a whole lot of people that use this platform. They're going to get a 1099K that has never got one in the past.
Correct, because in the past, $20,000 was the threshold. So in the last 2 years, if you're selling stuff through your home, you may or may not have ever gotten to that $20,000. So you have no idea that you're actually running a business.
Right, because, and they may be selling locally. They may have, not all just through this platform. But yeah, at that point in time, you're really in a trader business.
Yes.
And so this is I think going to be a huge impact. But the biggest thing about let's get this out here now in January of 2022 is we're preparing you for next January when you get that 1099K and you go, well, I wish somebody had told me to keep my records. But as Debbie has already said, as far as keeping records and profit and loss, nothing changed. It's just now they're moving that threshold from 20,000 down to 600 per year.
Yeah, because what he means is even if they didn't give you a 1099K on your earnings, you still should have been reporting it if you're in the business of making things, or even if it's a hobby business. We have separate videos that are talking about business versus hobby, but the main takeaway is you need to be keeping track of your expenses for the small business that you're running through Etsy.
And that small business, whether you're a hobby or a business, you still have to report it. It's just with the hobby, all you get is here's what my cost was to make this basket, and here's my profit. Whereas if I'm in a trader business, I'm going to get mileage to and from. I may be getting some office in the home. I may have other expenses that I would get. But the difference again is if you're a hobby or a trader business, it's the difference in getting those expenses. But reporting it on the tax return, both is the same. So again, if you've got a transaction that you've made and you sold, I know, don't shoot the messenger, but you're going to get a 1099K at the end of the year. Check
out our other videos for small businesses on how to keep track of those expenses. We have some great ideas on how you can do that because this may be new to you.
So with that, please subscribe. We're going to be doing some more videos again. As I said, we've already done eBay. We're going to go here next to a different group of platforms. We're going to go to Venmo, PayPal, and that. As Debbie said in the last couple, I'm going to steal your line. Share this with your friends. We think it's important. We want to get it out there. Please subscribe. Hope this helps and
have a great day.
Thank you.